Hello wonderful people, you're welcome to Carrie's Tutorials. Today we are going to be learning the different ways of cutting a trumpet sleeves. There are different ways, but in this tutorial we are going to be learning two different types. Okay, so we have the method 1 and method 2. The first thing to do is write out your measurement, the length, the measurement that are needed are the length and the round sleeve. Now the round sleeve should be the upper arm. All right, so you have the measurement and make sure it is not so tight when taking the round sleeve measurements on the upper arm. Okay, so at the wrist area of your sleeve, it is trumpet sleeve, so it is expected to be wide. It is wide at the wrist area of your hand. So going by the method 1, we are going to be folding a single flare. A single flare, you can decide to have the width as wide as this, and you can also decide to reduce the width measurement to have maybe something like, just reduce it. You can increase, you can have a wider hand on the sleeve, and you can also reduce it to your desired measurement. So I'll just go with this folding. Now, what's the first thing you're going to be doing after you folded your flare? We're going to calculate the round sleeve divided by 2. The round sleeve divided by 2 plus 2 inches. So make sure you get that. I'm sure we understand how to go about cutting a single flare. So we're going to get that. Mark out the point. Your round sleeve divided by 2 have 2 inches. Once you've marked it out, from that point, you take 4 inches upward. You take 4 inches upward. Now, from the edge of your folding to the point where you marked your 4, I have 7 inches. So whatever you have, you're going to take it all around to have an accurate measurement. Here is my 4 inches up. Then from the top to that 4 inches, whatever measurement you get, you're going to take it all around. Now from that folded part, you're going to create your arm size. I'm going to create it to make your 4 inches the same way you carve it out for your basic folding. So that is that about that. Now we're going to be taking the length. We're going to start the measurement from the top, the 4 inches you took upward. That's where you're going to start the measurement. So you take the length and you take it all around to have equal measurement. So this is how it's going to come out after you have done that. If you need clarification on any part of this video, you can pause, you can rewind, you can play back to have a better understanding. So this is the first method, and this is how it looks like exactly. So you can attach anything you want at the base of your sleeve. You can have trimmings, you can have feathers on it. So moving to the second method, all you need to do is your upper arm measurement divided by 2, then you add extra 2 inches to it. Then you also add to it, depending on how wide you want the base of your sleeve to be. So your desired measurement determines your folding. That is, after you've divided your upper arm, the round sleeve, after you've divided it by 2 and you've added 2 inches, you still need to add extra inches to your folding. After that has been done, you bring down your 4 inches, measure your 4 inches. Then on the 4 inches, you're going to measure your upper arm divided by 2. Then you add 2 inches to the measurement. Okay, so let me expatiate your upper arm measurement. So it's your round sleeve. Let's assume your round sleeve is 14 divided by 2 is 7. Then you add extra 2 inches, that will give you 9 inches. So that's that. From there, you slant to the end of your folding. And here what I have is a curved shape, because I don't want it coming out sharp, just straight. So you can actually leave it like this if that is what you want. You can leave it that way. It's really not part. Then another design you can always have on your trumpet sleeve is when you have the front part, that's the folded part of your sleeve, you have it cut out a little bit that's shorter than the joint part. So you want to have a sharp slant, you can go with this, and it automatically means the front part of your sleeve will be shorter while the base is going to be longer. Yes, you can have it like that for a trumpet sleeve. You can stop at somewhere around your fingers, while the front part, the folded part, is shorter. So you can have it curved, or you can have it slant, either a slant V shape or a curved slant. So when you cut out your sleeve, you're going to have just something like this is what you're going to have. This, if that is what you want. And like I said, you can create a curved shape at the end of the joining. Yeah, just something like this. You can have a curved shape just like this. And in case you want to create a design, you can have your one part shorter than the other. So you have your slant shape, that's your V, your sharp V, or you have your curved V shape. So whichever one you're going for, you can go ahead and create your trumpet sleeve. If this is your first time, do well to subscribe. You also need to turn on your notification bell, like, share, and comment. Leave your comment in the comment section. And I'll see you next time. Bye.